Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus and I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2018 Toyota CHR XLE Premium. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, high C-pillar rear door handles, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The CHR's distinctive styling and sporty handling make it a fun pick for a subcompact crossover. This CHR has 18-inch sport machined alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this CHR is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam headlights, daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, perimeter lights, and a really nice black grille with iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2-liter engine with variable transmission. This CHR has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 29 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget this CHR has only 12,284 miles on it. At the back of the CHR, you can see the antenna and the sporty wing spoiler, along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this CHR has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders, and there are also safety child door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents, and the passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable heated fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This CHR is also equipped with auto-dimming rear view mirror, door bins, and electronic parking brake. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This CHR has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise control, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It is Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines for making backup a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy back your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.